Now to step down in the line. This is new this year. Just started chipping this in May. This is the Style CS. Should look familiar. It's the baby brother here of the Skeletal family. You're going to have knife blade, small pair of tweezers right here that actually pull out of the body.
Military law enforcement.
Nice, be able to pull splinters out, do anything you need to do. Carabiner cap lifter, stick it on your backpack, open your favorite adult beverage. Then here on this side we've incorporated a nail file and a straight screwdriver that can also be used as a Phillips screwdriver. It's tapered down on both sides. Open it up and you're going to find yourself a nice handy-dandy pair of scissors. Cut ballistic nylon, leather, you name it, it'll do it.
It's heavy duty, it's really monster. This can sit on your hip and you won't even feel it.